In this episode, we'll look at how to add two complex numbers and how to find the difference between two complex numbers. Assuming you have a number z1, a complex number z1 to be equal to 2 plus 3i, and a second complex number z2 to be equal to 5 plus 2i. Now, to add these complex numbers, what we have to do is add the imaginary part separately and the real part separately. So z1 plus z2 will now be equal to the real part first. We have 2 plus 5. Then plus the imaginary part, we have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 with an I outside. So the final answer to this becomes 3 plus 5, 2 plus 5, that's 7, plus the imaginary part, we have 3 plus 2, that's 5, with our I multiplying the answer. So z1 plus z2 is equal to 7 plus 5i. So real axis goes with the real axis and imaginary axis goes with the imaginary part. So that's for the addition of two complex numbers. Assuming we have z3 to be 12 plus 6i and z4 to be equal to 9 plus 3i, and we're told to subtract z4 from z3, that is to say z3 minus z4. This is going to be the real part of z3 minus the real part of z4, that is 12 minus 9 plus the imaginary part of z3 minus the imaginary part of z4. We leave our I outside and we write down 6 minus 3 with our I. So the answer becomes 12 minus 9, that's 3, plus 6 minus 3, that's 3. So z3 minus z4 is equal to 3 plus 3i.